Article 352.100 of the National Electrical Code, or NEC, addresses rigid nonmetallic conduit, or RNC, construction specifications. It states that RNC and its fittings must be composed of a suitable non-metallic material that is resistant to moisture and chemical atmospheres. Article 100 defines a fitting as an accessory, such as a locknut, bushing, or other part of a wiring system that is primarily intended to perform a mechanical, rather than an electrical, function. Based on these requirements, metallic locknuts cannot be used with RNC male adapters. The code explicitly specifies that RNC and its fittings must be made of non-metallic material. Therefore, using metallic locknuts in conjunction with RNC male adapters would violate the provisions outlined in Article 352.100. Yes, PVC locknuts are produced in sizes over 1 inch. These larger PVC locknuts provide a non-metallic option for securing RNC to enclosures and fittings when larger conduit sizes are used. While PVC box connectors are not specifically mentioned in the code, they are made of non-metallic material and designed to perform a mechanical function connecting enclosures to RNC. Therefore, they meet the requirements of Article 352.100 and can be used with RNC. Straps are considered fittings under the NEC definition outlined in Article 100 because they are part of a wiring system and primarily perform a mechanical function. This designation means that metallic straps cannot be used on PVC conduit systems.